Hello friends. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the energy generation by using hydroelectric power plant, in which we have discussed the basic energy conversion principle, then classification of hydroelectric power plant based on type of load, based on heat, okay, and then working of the hydroelectric power plant. Today we are going to discuss the safety practices used for hydroelectric power plant. Now, hydroelectric power plant is a large structure and in which there are so many machinery. So the personal protective equipment, commonly called as PPE, protective devices made available to individual or collective use of the worker likely to be affected by the hazard of the workplace or processes. This is the first thing. Second, not to allow any worker to work in any unsafe condition nor with the unsafe equipment. Sufficient number of supervisors shall be appointed for adequate and constant supervision at all times in all workplaces. All the workers are protected from hazards arising out of their work or due to the work carried out by others in the vicinity. Safety training shall be provided to all employees. Appoint a safety officer with the qualification and experience. At all the locations, it is necessary to use the safety poster, slogan, competition, special meetings, talk shall be organized so that the safety conditions or the safety rules should be reached to each and every person, that everyone who is working over there should be aware of the safety rules. Emergency action plan should be kept ready to deal with the fire and explosion. Then power plant should be protected against lightning stroke, that is, use appropriate types of lightning arresters. Barricades, warning sign, safety poster should be provided to hazards the important location. Then station should have at least two independent ways to exist. If one route becomes inaccessible, an alternative emergency exit route should always be available. Adequate lighting is essential for emergency exit. During flood, there should be provision of automatically stop of the hydroelectric power plant. The plant should be inspected by OSHA, that means Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and NEPA. NEPA means National Environmental Policy Administration Organization. So they should inspect the plant time to time. Now, in some cases, what are the safety practices used at hydroelectric power plant? So one is that forebay is used. It serves as the following function. What is the function of the forebay? It stored the rejected water immediately when load on the turbine reduces, so it avoids water hammer effect in penstoke and protect the penstoke. So this forebay is very important. If you are not going to use the forebay, then your penstoke may get damaged. Okay, so that forebay, whenever there is a load variation at that time, the forebay will store the water and it will avoid the water hammer. It avoids the cavity effect in the penstoke when the load on the turbine increases because it immediately supplies the water. It acts as a buffer storage of water during flooding, which increases the safety of dam. Then second safety practice is that you are going to use the tri-stack or screen or booms. This tri-stack or screen, it avoids the entry of debris, solid particle, large fish, ice going towards the turbine. It avoids choke up of the penstoke and damage to the turbine. So normally in your home also we are using the screens or something to just collect the dust particles and all these things. So what happened, that does not give. If you have seen that Swadesh movie, in that Swadesh movie, the Shah Rukh Khan will construct the dam and he's installed that small hydroelectric power plant. So initially the hydroelectric power plant will start working, suddenly it will stop. So they will just go running up towards, and he will just put in and removes the debris, that is solid particles, then some dust particle is over there, some clothes, okay, and again the water. So these screens will avoid this. It will just does not allows the solid particles or some large pieces to go towards the turbine. Then spillways. It discharges the excess water from reservoir when the water exceeds the storage capacity of reservoir. It avoids damage to the dam due to excess pressure of water. It acts as a safety wall to the dam. So if you are saying that spillways are there to the dam, okay, so during rainy season monsoon, when the dam is completely filled at that time, the overflow water, or we can just release the water through the spillway. This spillway also have the gates. So by opening gates to certain angles, we are going to release the water into the river. So it will protect the dam. Then protection for penstock. We are going to use the surge tank or 4x for the protection of penstock. Then automatic butterfly wall is also used and air walls. So what is the surge tank? Surge tank protects the penstock from water hammer effect when the load on the turbine reduces or increases because it immediately stores the rejected water. It avoids the cavity effect in the penstock when the load on the turbine increases because it immediately supplies the water. So these are the some safety practices used at the hydroelectric power plant.